Hello, and welcome to the 31st edition of the Meyer Musings. Today is May 15th, 2016. In management, there'll be no staff meeting this week. There'll be summative evaluations held Monday, May 16th and Tuesday, May 17th with Molly and myself to discuss all the wonderful work that you teachers have been doing this past year. And it'll be held in the conference room. Volunteer tea. Thank you, Deborah and Danny Deravingas, for your awesome program. Deborah for designing the whole program and for Jenny designing the presentation and setting that up. That was awesome. We're looking for someone to take over for next year. Deborah's been doing this for quite a time. And I was thinking possibly grade level taking turns, those types of things. Again, thank you, Deborah, for all of your work in the past years. It was awesome. Also in management, the district sent out a keyboarding skills presentation to principals, and I'm going to pass that on to you. It'll be for next fall. The presentation is sent, a link to the presentation is sent to the email that I sent this musing with. And in the presentation, we'll discuss how to practice, how much time to practice, and then examples of activities. And this is for grades 3, 4, and 5 since they have the Chromebooks. Playground. Middle schoolers are not allowed on the playground during school hours. So that particularly means third grade, when they go out for their second recess at 3 o'clock, please redirect the middle schoolers if they're on the playground. The middle school administration announced to the Holmes student body, explaining that they're not to be there. It was just getting too confusing and a lot of kids around there when we're trying to dismiss. So we just made a blanket statement saying no more middle schoolers on the playground. Room changes for next year, so hold on and follow this one very carefully because there's a lot of changes. Abby is moving to Adam's room. Tyler will be moving to Abby's room. Karen will be moving to Tyler's room. Deborah will be moving to Karen's room. Jenny Dixon will be moving to the computer lab, which will allow Jenna and Sally to move to Jenny Dixon's room. Bridget will stay in her current room. It got to Bridget, Jenna, and Sally in their room. It was just got to be too much when you had kids in there trying to separate them when they were working, and they got too distracted. So we needed to separate basically the students that Jenna and Bridget and Sally work with. In instruction, there's a co-teaching seminar, and I wanted to highlight again. I sent it out last week, but I wanted to highlight it this week since we've been talking about co-teaching with ESL. So any ESL or special ed teachers who are co-teaching for next year, they'll get some the teachers will be trained in best practices, relationship building, planning. It'll be from 8:30 to 3, be held June 9th or August 17th, not both, at ESC. Please sign up on the Professional Development Tracker. Also, the Benchmark Assessment System, or BAS system, was discussed at the district instructional meeting, and they discussed how many times per year, when will it be given, and instructional or independent level. In learning supports, we have an ISST meeting on Monday at 8 o'clock. And in Jess Newman's room. Thank you, Jess. I haven't asked you yet, but since we're meeting, Molly and I are meeting with staff for summative evaluations, it was important that we were using the conference room then, so we needed to find another room. Master schedule meeting will be held on Wednesday, May 18th at 8 o'clock in the conference room. Thank you, Jenny Deravingas, for getting this scheduled. Well, that's it for now. I look forward to another great week. Thank you.